Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the starting point of the Cruisin to Bucees presented by the Downtown Waycross Cruisin group. And this is Car Show Cam. It's a great little rally, had a bunch of cars out there. Didn't expect so many, but hey, it was a pleasant surprise. So the guys went out to the new Bucees out in Brunswick, and they got to enjoy that, so we got to enjoy them leaving. I'm kidding, guys, I'm kidding. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. About a dozen or so. I was thinking a camera on either side of this drive.
Mm-hmm. And the rust bucket's out.
Yep. And I can park right there pointed that way. Park right here.
Okay.
Pointed this way.
So which way are they going out? That way?
They're going that way.
Okay. You getting your scooter out or not? You want me to just go take pictures while you set up?
Yeah, why don't you just do that?
Okay. So you're not getting your scooter out?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Well, I guess this rain decides it, don't it?
Yep.
We're going to the house.
At least to Hilliard.
Yeah.
After we get gas.
What we will do for car show, huh?
Yeah. I thought about it after they started going that way. I should have told you to turn around.
Yeah.
I thought they were going that way.
Do you know what? That one truck with the hydraulics?
Yeah.
He knew I was recording him. He would put his hydraulics up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You hear it and everything probably on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
There are quite a few there.
Yeah, more than I thought.
Yeah. Poor guy in the convertible's had a wet ride, but it started sprinkling when I was getting my last pictures. I said, you're going to get wet.
Yeah, I felt it start sprinkling. Oh, shit.
And he says, that's okay. I got it covered. I wonder what he meant by that, because he didn't cover it, didn't put the cover up on it.
Alright, guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Downtown Waycross Cruisin group's Cruisin' Out to Bucees in Brunswick event. What a mouthful. Anyway, we went out and we filmed them leaving their rally point in Waycross. We didn't follow them along to Buc-ee's. You know, just didn't have time. We enjoyed going out there and watching them rally up and checking out the cars as they were leaving. So we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please drop us a like, comment, share the video around, hit the little bell, hit the little subscribe button. You know, any of those things helps out the channel. Drop us a comment even. You know, just like, hey, cool video, whatever. Anything, any interaction with the video helps get us up in the YouTube algorithm. You got to tickle that YouTube pickle to get them YouTube dollary dues. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get the monetization to get some funds from YouTube to, you know, keep growing the channel. We're trying to go to different events, go further out. And it's starting to pinch. It's starting to hurt, you know, guys. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I just need you guys' help to, you know, grow the channel. Like it, subscribe it. You don't have to comment, but it would be great if you did. Share it to your friends. Share it to your non-car friends. Just be like, hey, this dude's going out to the car shows, so you don't have to. Whatever. Any little bit helps on the channel getting the YouTube's attention. So, I'd appreciate it if you would do it. So, like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.